Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to make cinnamon roll bites. These are perfect for a dessert at a sleepover. So enough talking, let's get to it. So first off, we're going to start off with our dough. So to my bowl, I'm going to add in half of our flour, our warm milk, sugar, and 1 packet of active dry yeast. I'm going to get my whisk and whisk this together. Once it turns to a nice gooey paste, we're going to scrape down the sides. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to get that yeast going. Now I'm going to add in the rest of our flour, a little bit of oil, baking powder, and lastly the salt. Okay, so now I'm just going to get my spatula and fold everything together until we have our dough. If your dough is a little sticky like mine is, you can add a little bit more flour. Set that bowl to the side, and in another bowl, you can add in a little bit of brown sugar, white sugar, and a lot of cinnamon. I'm just going to get my tablespoon here and mix everything together. Alright, looks good. Y'all, look how big this pan is. Here I got some melted butter. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to pinch off just a little bit of dough, get it into a nice ball, roll it in the melted butter and our brown sugar mixture. We're going to transfer it to our pan, and we're going to keep repeating this until we have no dough left over. Alright, now these are going to go bake in the oven. Alright, moving on to the cream cheese glaze. Okay, so to my bowl, I'm going to add a little bit of cream cheese. I'm going to add in some powdered sugar, a little bit of vanilla, and a little bit of milk. We just want a little bit to get that nice consistency that we want. My whisk, and just whisk everything together. I'm going to add the glaze to a Ziploc bag. Alright, here we go. We need a taste test. Alright. Yummy dance. These are amazing. They're so fluffy and they're like really good for single servings instead of like a big cinnamon roll. And the cream cheese glaze is amazing. So that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.